Hey, my name's Philip, and I wanted to introduce myself as your salesperson and to let you know that our production team has put together a video especially for you. Hope you like it.
Hi Lori, this is the 2010 Ford F-150 XLT, which comes with a 4.6 liter V8 engine, 4-speed automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, halogen headlights, manual folding side view mirrors, and a black exterior. Aside from your standard features such as keyless entry, this vehicle includes cruising steering wheel mounted controls, an entertainment system with AM/FM radio, CD player, satellite radio, and phone connectivity. As well, Lori, the interior features well-stitched cloth seating with manual adjustment, automatic headlights, climate control system, and a hard trunk bed cover.
Thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I look forward to seeing you here at South Trail Chrysler, Canada's largest Chrysler store. See you soon.